This is how you can close your safes and accounts on the system if you want them to have an actual opening balance, for example, for let's say the month or the week, depending on how you do it. So here on the Lyt-Soft back office, you need to click the menu icon. Then you want to click where it says finance. Here under finance, you see where it says cash and accounts. You just want to click that. So here you want to select the account or the safe or the bank, a virtual bank account that you want to set that closing balance on. So let's say, for example, let's say this banking safe at the moment it has that much money. So if I want to set a balance on this actual account, I can click view, then I can click here where it says view details here. So once you click view details here, you'll notice that these are the actual money in and out of that actual account. So within the selected time frame. So here, depending on the time frame you select, you see the entries that has led to these amounts. So if we want to close this safe, we can click here where it says close safe / finalize. Then here we can click close safe. Then now this is the expected balance that we're supposed to have. So here for you, if this is when you have started using the system, this might be 0 0. So here we can set our actual balance that we currently have now starting with this month. So for example, if I set, let's say, 10,000 and I click process, so this will now set that my opening entry for today. So let's say if it was this month, it would be like for this month, I've started with a 10,000 kwacha. So now, depending on now the type of transactions I'm going to be doing, this will now start from here accumulating going forward. As you can see, it's now on the in as the account balance is that. So this applies to all the accounts here in the actual virtual banks as well. So if my FNB dollar account, also I can click view details, then I can also close it with an actual balance that we currently have in that account. So for example, here if I say we are supposed to have 5,000 US dollars in this account, then I can click process. So now it will start accumulating from this balance that I've set that I have on this account. Then you can click the money in or money out to view all the transactions that have led to whatever balance which is at the top there. So that's how you can close your safe or your account to a specific amount as your starting value for either that month or that week or just as your initial starting amount.